Hello, I'm recording this video after a very long duration. Probably I am recording a video after 4 days, and excuse me. So I'm recording this video after 4 days. I was not been able to record this video. I was not been able to record these videos. Probably mostly due to the lack of time, and actually due to the lack of it was due to the lack of time and lack of what we say focus. So I wanted, so basically I got the free time. I was getting the free time, but I was instead of utilizing that free time, I was uh, basically instead of utilizing the free time, I was uh, doing the worst thing that I could possibly do, that is binge scroll the mind numbing content, and like make a marathon out of like watching the mind numbing content and all. So that's what I always do, and that's nothing new. Okay, so basically the last video that I uploaded was for the 26th of February, and I'm currently recording the video for the 27th of February. But today, when I'm recording this video, it's second March, and it's around uh, 10:40, and let me tell you this thing, that I am recording this video only because of the fact that I don't want to skip this journey. I want to record the video for every day, no matter what happens to this thing. Even if I have exams, I will try to record these videos after giving the exams. So basically I want to record video for the every day, so that whenever I graduate, or whenever I want to see back to my journey, I can use these videos to do so. So basically, let me tell you what I did on 27th of February. So basically, 27th of February was Thursday. It means that I had college, I have internship, and so that's all my day. So basically, let me tell you what's happened on Thursday. So I am, as you know, that I'm interning at Cat LLC. So I submitted the code. I submitted the code and added the rank statistics as well. So basically, I did add the code. So I added the code for Marvel Rivals and all. So I did the code for all of those use cases. So once I added the code for Marvel's Rival in the morning, suddenly I got a message from Tony that the code is not working, and then he was actually shouting at me that why I'm not responding to the message that the other guys are sending it to me. So basically I replied, like I tried to explain to him that I was very busy, and I did not did all of this thing on purpose, and I actually replied those messages. But when I reply them, they took more than 4 to 6 hours to reply me back, and this loops continues. So he actually shouted at me, and and said that I should have called them directly, and he said all of this while yelling and cursing me. So basically he used the most obscene language that he can. For example, what the fuck is happening with you? Why the fuck you are not why the fuck you guys, maybe it might be very what we say easier for them, that they use this sort of words. But if I want to say something, then I don't like that attitude, because he used the same attitude uh, when I had a call with him in November or maybe October, and I really didn't like that attitude, because he just put the complete blame on me. So for one, like I want to say one thing, like so basically he always he always presses the point that you should actually, what we say, he actually presses the point that I should actually work on, what we say, work on to myself. Like he actually presses every time that I should like try to push the code very early, instead of focusing on making it perfect. I should actually push the code, then reiterate back. So that's what I did, and that's what I did. So once I did this thing, the code doesn't work with the Marvel level. Basically, the code was working. There was a very minor minor problems. So that was actually arising due to the fact that the data that was being expected have the different casing and have the different attribute names as compared to the data that is being provided. So basically, if I am providing kills, if I'm providing kills, the expected data attribute was kill. Okay, if I am providing damages, and the expected result was in the damage with the smaller case d. So that's what all was about that day. So actually, after being yelled by him, I actually taken the responsibility of completing that task, had a meeting with the team for 2.5 hours, and after attending the complete meeting with them, I guided those my colleagues that what needed to be done in order to get those use cases pushed that they are working on. And after this, like, had a meeting with Ariman as well about fixing the code. And that's all about the Thursday. So after completing those things, I actually started working on my act after work. After completing all of those things, I didn't did actually something. I didn't did anything which was very, what we say, useful. So I didn't did anything which was useful. Actually, I spent my whole time watching the YouTube videos here and there, and maybe I just slept early on that day. And after that, nothing. I did nothing else on Thursday, and that's how my Thursday ended. So I didn't record any video on Thursday, and I'm recording this video for the Thursday 27th of February, and this was the update. So basically, one more thing to add, that once I report this to Tony again, that I had the meeting with the guys for 2.5 hours, and I actually guided him everything what they need to do. So he actually apologized for the fact that he yelled at me, and he actually accepted the fact that I was not being miscommunicative. So it was actually the miscommunication was actually from the both, that I was not only solely responsible for that, but I actually shown the, what we say, maturity, and accepted the fact that I should be responsible because I had taken the lead. And that's what happened on the complete day. That was about the 27th of February 2025. Hope you will find this video in future. And the main purpose of me recording this video is to actually make myself more confident, and actually share my journey with the future version of myself. So in future, whenever I see this video, I actually get the point, like how I was doing in my life. So basically, let me tell you, bro, till 27th of February 2025, I'm still stuck with the same problem, that is the phone addiction or the YouTube addiction. I have tried many things, but still it's been stuck with me, I guess. It's not been stuck with me, I guess. I am very prone to get addict again with the YouTube, even though I try to uh, s- even though I try to avoid this, but still I am not been able to complete this challenge. Maybe I will try to do something about this addiction. So yeah, that was mainly about the 27th of February 2025. And if you are not Vikrant, and maybe you are some other folk that are watching this video, so please accept my apology, because I might be very bad with the spoken English. I am trying to improve that. Actually, I have a decent I have a decent proficiency in spoken English, but due to the fact that I'm recording this video in front of camera, I'm actually stuttering, or maybe I'm not speaking English with correct confidence. But that will that will be improved with the course of time. Thank you for watching this video.